Hi there, my name is Gaurav Raj Anand and today I'm going to show you a demonstration based on SET, that is Social Engineering Technique. So SET is a collection of tools that was developed by David Kennedy, one of the developer of the MetaXploit project. He has developed a fantastic set of tools that can be used to actually harvest information from the victims. So whatever, as soon as the victim will visit the created fake server of the attacker, all the credentials in the web browser that the victim types, all those credentials will be redirected to the attacker's machine. So let's, without wasting much of the time, let's go to the directory of SET and see how SET works. So it's command pentest exploits and then SET. So it's the directory of SET and this is the configuration of file of SET. So let me run this, and now it's asking for the social engineering attack fast track penetration testing. So I'll be going with the social engineering attack option 1, and now let's actually go with the option 2 for website attack vector. And now different types of options are available over here. Number 1 is Java applet attack method, number 2 is meta exploit browser exploit method, number 3 is credential harvest attack method. So I'll be going with the option third, that is credential harvest attack method. So what will happen? I will create a fake website that is very similar to that of the original website, and that will be redirected with a link. So as soon as the victim will visit that particular link, all the information, whatever the victim will type in its web browser into the prompt, all this will be redirected to the attacker's machine. So go with option 3 and see what happens. And now it's asking me for the site cloner, so I'll be using uh, tab napping. Now it's asking for the IP address for reverse connection. So it's actually, let me give the IP address for the reverse connection, that is 68.88.137. This is the IP address of the attacker machine for the reverse connection from the victim machine. And now it's asking for the website to be cloned. So you can use any type of website like Facebook, Gmail, Orkut, whatever the website you want to use, it actually depends on you. So I'll be using the Gmail account for cloning it. It is very similar to that of the phishing attack what I am doing right now. Okay, right. So right now SET has started to be configured and it is configuring itself behind the scene. And now I'm running Windows XP machine as my victim machine right now. So let's actually see whether the SET has configured it or not. Yes, SET has configured it. And now let's actually visit the victim machine. So it depends on you guys how you fool your victim and make your victim believe into that, yes, visit that particular link. So as soon as the victim visit that particular link, he will be redirected to the original website. So let's see whether it works or not. 192.160, sorry, 168.88.137. So this is the fake server that was being created by the attacker. So guys, as you can see, 192.168.88.137. As soon as the victim typed that particular address in the browser, a similar website to that of the Gmail has been opened and it's asking for the username and password. So let's actually give the username and password. Raj Anand 007 at the rate of gmail.com. And for the password, I'm gonna use the dummy password. Obviously I'm not gonna use my original password. So let's actually give 12345 and sign in. So let's actually see what happens. And during that time, let's actually visit the link because the game is over for the attacker. Now whether the victim redirects to the original website, whether he is able to actually log into the main account or not, that doesn't make any difference to the attacker. What the attacker needs is original username and the password. So as you can see, in the clear plain text is giving the email address. Email is gauravraj.anand007 at the rate of gmail.com. That's the same email address that the victim was using, and the password number is 12345. Game over. So guys, this was all about SET, and that's what I had in mind for this video. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and please leave your comments below so that I'll be making more and more videos. Thank you very much. Good night.